Out in the wild, the right tool isn't just helpful, it's the difference between struggling and cruising. Whether you're clearing a trail, building a shelter, or chopping firewood, having gear that boosts your efficiency can turn tough tasks into smooth, confident moves. Folding saws that disappear into your pack, axes built to take a beating, and tools that back you up no matter what the wilderness throws your way. This is the stuff that keeps your camp running and your adventures rolling. Today, we're breaking down the 12 best folding saws and axes that deliver reliability, precision, and power without weighing you down. If you want performance you can trust in the field, these are the tools that earn their spot in your kit. Number 12. Silky Professional F180 Folding Saw. The Silky F180 comes with a 7-inch chrome-plated steel blade available with 5 or 6 teeth per inch for smooth, clean cuts. The taper-ground, impulse-hardened teeth stay sharp longer and make quick work of branches, firewood, and trail clearing. Its lightweight foldable design slips easily into your pack or pocket. The fiberglass polypropylene handle gives a secure, ergonomic grip, and the built-in blade lock adds safety during use and transport. Weighing just 0.29 kilograms, it's compact, durable, and ideal for camping, pruning, bushcraft, and survival tasks. Number 11. AGAWA Boreal 21 Folding Saw. This saw features a 21-inch stainless steel blade with aggressive teeth designed for fast cutting. The rigid rectangular blade and hardened points cut smoothly through logs and branches. A 3-hinged frame unfolds in seconds and locks into place. The fiberglass reinforced nylon handle and anodized aluminum frame make it tough, lightweight, and reliable. Weighing about 0.5 kilograms, the blade folds safely into the frame for secure storage. Perfect for hiking, camping, hunting, and bushcraft. Number 10. GROWIT Folding Camping Saw. With an 11-inch high carbon steel blade and triple-cut teeth, this saw handles both dry and green wood with ease. A foldable design with a double locking system keeps everything secure. The ergonomic handle offers a solid grip even in wet conditions. At 0.38 kilograms, it's lightweight and compact for backpacking, camping, and general outdoor work. Number 9. REXBETI Heavy-Duty Folding Saw. This saw features a 14-inch steel blade with 5.5 teeth per inch. The staggered tooth pattern provides faster cutting for wood, plastic, and even bone. It folds from 28 inches down to 14 inches for easy storage. The rubber-coated polymer handle offers a comfortable, slip-free grip. Weighing 0.41 kilograms, it's ideal for camping, survival, and yard work. Number 8. Outdoor Edge Flip End Zip Saw. Featuring a 4.4-inch alloy steel blade with diamond-cut, triple-ground teeth, this saw works well on wood and bone. The aircraft aluminum handle with an orange rubber coating adds grip and visibility. It folds safely and comes with a MOSSY OAK nylon sheath. At just 0.07 kilograms, this is one of the most compact saws on the list. Great for hunting, backpacking, and survival kits. Number 7. MOSSY OAK 3-in-1 Folding Saw. Comes with 3 7.5-inch interchangeable blades for wood, metal, and plastic. Each blade features triple-cut razor teeth for smooth, efficient cutting. The rubber-coated handle gives a secure grip, while the locking system and quick change knob keep everything tight and safe. Weighing 0.35 kilograms, it includes a nylon pouch for extra blades and easy transport. Time to bring out the heavy hitters. These axes take over where saws tap out. Number 6. Fiskars X7 Hatchet. Known for durability, the Fiskars X7 uses a steel blade with proprietary grinding for superior sharpness and deep cuts. The shock-absorbing fiber comp handle reduces fatigue, and the low-friction blade coating prevents sticking. Weighing 0.64 kilograms, this 16.5-inch hatchet is perfect for firewood prep, camping, and backyard tasks. Number 5. Estwing Sportsman's Axe. Forged from a single piece of steel with a 3.25-inch blade, this axe is built for durability and precise chopping. The leather-wrapped handle provides comfort and control. It comes with a nylon sheath for safe carry. Weighing 0.84 kilograms and just 14 inches long, it's compact yet powerful enough for serious camp work. Number 4. SOG Camp Axe. With a 3.1-inch stainless steel blade, this axe is made for chopping small trees, branches, and general camp tasks. The textured nylon handle offers a strong grip, and the included sheath keeps it safe while traveling. Weighing about 0.45 kilograms and measuring 11.5 inches, it's a compact and reliable addition to any pack. Number 3. OKNIFE Otical, a one survival axe. This full-tang alloy steel axe features a tough titanium stone-washed finish, designed for chopping, hammering, and prying. The textured G10 handle delivers a secure grip in all weather. The 4-in-1 design and Kydex sheath make it extremely versatile. Weighing 0.73 kilograms and 13 inches long, it's ideal for bushcraft, survival, and emergency use. Number 2. WRANGO Tools, Titanium Camping Axe. A high-strength titanium blade makes this axe 45% lighter than steel while staying incredibly strong. It includes 2 hickory handles, an 18-inch handle for power and an 11.5-inch handle for control. A leather sheath keeps it safe. Weighing 1.16 kilograms with a 2-piece slip-fit design, it packs easily into a backpack. Number 1. Gerber Gear Pack Axe. A 3.5-inch stainless steel blade with a black oxide coating offers durability and precision. Full-tang construction adds strength. The rubber overmold handle with finger grooves offers secure handling. Includes a nylon sheath for pack or belt carry. Weighing 0.59 kilograms and under 10 inches long, this compact axe excels at general camp tasks, survival work, and firewood prep. Bonus gadget, Vodo Folding Saw. This compact folding saw redefines outdoor cutting with unmatched precision and durability. Imagine effortlessly clearing a trail, pruning your garden, or preparing firewood without tiring your hands or battling a dull blade. Its 10-inch German laser cut teeth slice through wood up to 7 inches thick, 4 times faster than ordinary saws. Crafted with rock-hard D2 steel and rust-resistant coating, this saw stays sharp through 50,000 cuts without faltering. The ergonomic, non-slip handle ensures a secure grip even during the longest tasks, while the dual-lock safety keeps you secure on every cut. For every adventurer and gardener, this is the tool that works as hard as you do. And that wraps up our guide to the best folding saws and axes for camping, bushcraft, and survival. Whether you're packing light or gearing up for serious work, these tools are built to keep you prepared and confident outdoors. Which one would you take on your next adventure? Drop your pick in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a Gadgetronics gear guide. Thanks for watching, and stay ready for the wild.